Hello and welcome back to Tesla News. My name is Marian and I'm your host today. Today's video, guys, will be about why Cathie Wood just bought the Tesla dip and how much she bought. And if you subscribe my channel, you give me support for my work. I hope you follow me for my daily updates now. And let's dive into today's video, guys. Tesla is up by 4%, trading right now at $735. And just as a reminder, we have been crashing down yesterday. It was a really bad day, but we have seen big investors buying again Tesla. And one of them is ARK Invest. And Cathie Wood has announced that they bought around 240,000 Tesla shares. So this is a lot of money, a lot of shares, and it's a good sign. And she has gone into details why Tesla is so important to them, and she has mentioned as well why she invested more into Tesla. Just for feeling for you what ARK Invest is or how much money they are actually currently having in their assets, it has skyrocketed. I mean, there were a few billions, but now they are sitting at $50 billion of money from investors. And I mean, this is a lot of money that can be moved in future projects and of course here in a game changer like Tesla. In the background, you do see, as always, the Giga Austin, Texas side. Thanks to Jeff Roberts, we do see a lot of movements going on there. We do see a lot of things happening, and I must honestly say the pace is looking pretty good right now, even though of course we could always wish for a faster speed. But again, when looking at the building, I honestly must say that I'm really confident they will do the same like in Shanghai, and they will open this one long area which we see here right now in front of us till the end on the other side, and then they will continue partially opening the other part of the entire building. Because if we want to keep on track with the timeline, it would make a lot of sense for Tesla to open this one side here, which is now turning to the right, and just starting production of the cars over there. That would make a lot of sense, and we have seen how that worked out for Giga Shanghai and actually worked really well. So looking into the Chinese EV market, of course the dip of Tesla has not only caused attention of Tesla, but there were a lot of Chinese companies as well that had a massive dip. And when looking into that, we do have a few companies that actually went down. For example, we have Li Auto, which is down by 27%, NIO down by 22%, and Xpeng down by 33%. So it affected as well the new companies that have been built in China. And you see the power here of the money. When something happens to Tesla, it moves as well all the other EV stocks down. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. And I do have actually one thing that I would like to share. There's the Lucid Motor IPO, which will happen this year, and I would really like to know your opinion on if you like to invest in that. Are you planning to do so? Just let me know down below what's your opinion about Lucid Motors. And now we're gonna go into the reason why Cathie Wood actually decided to invest more money into Tesla. And the main reason is the $7 trillion autonomous ride-hailing market. That's what she mentioned. I mean, she sees the potential, and I think you as a viewer, and if you follow Tesla, you see that as well. Of course, we do know the 7 trillion autonomous ride-hailing market. We won't see that next year. We won't see it in 2 years. We might see it in this decade, but might not see even this market size yet. But we do know that Cathie Wood is always looking ahead. She's looking ahead 10, 15 years. And if everything is going according to plan, she's really, really bullish about Tesla to be in the pole position to become the US autonomous taxi network. And yes, there is the word taxi. We have always talked about the Robotaxi network, and this is the reason because once the demand is handled, and once Tesla is not producing the waiting list down, and once they have reached a level where they can actually produce extra cars for their own taxi network, then there will be abilities to make more money with that. And she has mentioned the term money here. We do know that the ride-hailing network will be so much more profitable for Tesla than actually selling cars. And just imagine you have those cars and people buy per mile or for the time whatsoever, however they're going to do that. But there's going to be so much possibilities to make money. And in one video I even said, just imagine you take you go into a Robotaxi from Tesla, and it's not owned by anybody but just by Tesla, and Tesla is using the screen to, for example, advertise other products from them, just doing advertisement. That could be something to make money with that, even though it might not fit the Tesla style, but who knows what's happening in the future. And furthermore, every consumer, a consumer that is going into the Robotaxi is maybe in the future a potential customer for buying a car. Because if you have this kind of experience in using this Robotaxi network, just imagine what kind of power you have when it comes to, without any marketing, without any advertisement, convincing a lot of people to buy this car. So they say, well, I do enjoy riding this car, but if I want to buy a car in the future, I will buy this car because they experienced that car. And this is the 7 trillion autonomous market cap. This is like the potential. It's not only making money with ride hailing, but it's also making money for potential new customers. And if you combine all that, it makes so much sense, guys. We have been really crushed down in the past days, but there's so much more future potential for Tesla, and that the Tesla stock is now getting back up where it belongs, and these kind of crashes are healthy, like with everything else. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this positive video and the new trend that we hopefully will see in the next few days. And if you do enjoy my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you will come back every single day. So take care, guys.